Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share you something about follow through. And before that, if you are watching me for the first time, make sure that you're watching the video completely. And if you don't like the video, don't subscribe to my channel. Let's get into the video and understand about follow through. Now, when we talk about follow through, the first time we learn it in the pendulum animation short. This is the very first thing we do. So I have just created a selection shortcut here. Now, if you see here, there are green keys. I have just marked them green to show it to you in an easy way. Now, the easiest way to actually create the overlapping, create the follow through is to create it in steps. Now, I see that students get difficulty and they don't understand how to give the poses or what kind of poses we have to give. So, if you see here, this is a reverse C pose. Now, I have created a steps, 3 steps I have created to create this follow through animation, which is very simple. First is creating a reverse C. Now if you see this at 16, there is reverse C. Now all these are actually in betweens for doing the overlapping action. The main green keys are the ones which I had blocked out earlier. So if you see here 16, this is reverse C. That is the first step. Second step is S. Can you see this pose? This is S. And then the third is the right C. This. If you see the transition from reverse C, S and this C, you will have the animation done. You don't even need anything in between. Why we have added? To add the overlapping. For adding the overlapping, I have added these keys. But actually you don't need any key in between for just the transition. So you can say that this is kind of a shortcut to block out follow through. And this can work out in any of the shots. You can work it out in hairs, you can work it out in tail, you can work it out in cloth, hands also when you are doing the hand animation for character. Now you got it, C, S and C. Again, S, C. Again S, C. Again S, C. So it's very simple. C, S, C, S, C, S. That is how you have to pose, so that you directly get your animation in this way, the follow through thing. Now, you might be doing it in pendulum and you might think that how to do it in character. So let's have a look into the character. So this is something, just a temporary animation I have done. This is the selection of the hand controls. Now, if you see here again, this green keys are the ones which is C, S and C. Now, everything else I have added to make the arcs clear. Now you need to check in your case also that the arcs are clear. And again, this is a temporary animation, so I haven't done it very precisely, but just to make you aware, can you see this hand animation, how it's happening? I'll just play the animation, right? It's kind of wings, but again we need to change the timing a little bit here while going up, but the poses are like this, same. Can you see this? Same like pendulum, but now on the hands of the character. Can you see the shoulder movement, elbow, hand, wrist, fingers? So this is how you can do your follow through. Remember always C, S, C, S, C. This is how it will be very easy for you to actually create the follow through animation. So if you like the video, do share it with your friends and I will see you in the next video.